I'm just having a crazy hair day. I don't know, I keep running my hand through my hair every time. So, don't mind the crazy. And let's finish this video session up with a bang here. Got a few things to go over. So, we are on to the activities section. You should be finished with the classes section, and you've written about your 3 classes on these pages. When you click onto the activities pages, remember you need to be here. If you don't remember how to get here, go back and watch the video I sent you before. On the activities pages, you're going to scroll down and you're going to pick 4 activities that you love to do. They are not required to be affiliated with school. It could be band, it could be robotics, but it also could be whitewater rafting. It could be hiking. It could be hunting. It could be fishing. It could be skateboarding. It could be makeup. It could be volleyball. Whatever you want it to be, they're activities that you do, things that you enjoy. Tell me a little bit about it, and then change out the picture for one that is a picture of you doing that activity or a picture you took of someone doing that activity around you. Does that make sense? So these pictures should be all about you, and the description only about 3 sentences. So you could say something like, I love whitewater rafting. Because, or maybe I don't want to say because. The water, for me, the water is a great way to get outside, cover great distances or big distances with and see wildlife. And that's all I need to say. Something short like that. I could also say maybe if I want, I could talk about the picture. So this picture is from a 3-day trip on November 6th, 2020, period. And I could just say something like that. I put it separate. You could leave it as part of the whole thing. You could just describe that particular picture, but that picture should be highlighting an activity that is not just a one-time event. It's something that you do. Okay? 4. That's it. I'm going to go over changing out pictures again, and I'm also going to show you how to change these pictures up here if you want to swap those out. Okay? So again, you click. Notice I get the blue border. I'm going to click again so that that blue border just goes around the individual image. Okay? Then I'm going to click these 3 dots and it's going to show me replace or add alternative text. Replace the image, click upload, and on here I would want to pick a picture that's one of mine. You guys actually have access to all of the Google stock photos, which is really handy. I think I could select an image, maybe, yeah. So when it says select an image, it should, is this my photos? So these are my Google photos. But you guys should have a collection of Google stock photos that you can use. Yeah, because I'm not seeing that here easily. Okay? But swap it out, put one in there that's meaningful to you. Okay? And then I was going to show you one more thing and I can't remember what it was. Oh yeah, Google Images. Really quick. When you want to do a Google image search, you guys, and you get into images, so maybe I type in hiking, just like I was looking up before, I can't just pick any image right away from here. You have to go to Tools, okay? Then you need to change the size so that it says large. And then you'll also need to click on usage rights and select the Creative Commons, okay? That way you have permission to use these pictures. These are free for anybody to use, and it's not stealing because they have been put on here in a usable way. It's like plagiarism in writing. The same thing is true for pictures. So we want to be respectful and take only pictures that have the Creative Commons license. So choose one that works for you. We call these stock photos, and upload that to your site. Okay. And then this was the other one. I can also change my header image. So you could make it bigger if you wanted more of a picture. You could make it smaller if you wanted less of a picture. Or you could have something in the middle. Maybe you just have a title with no picture. Okay, I always like the large banner. Or just the regular banner, I guess. And then I'm going to come back out here and I could change the image to be something else. So maybe I upload my own picture. Or you guys, again, look at those different settings when you click on this button, because when you click select image, I know my head is in the way there. When you click select image, one of these options is actually the Google Gallery, and that will be true for the images below as well. And you could put in something up here that you feel represents activities better, or maybe just represents you better. Looks like it has 4 more options. No, none of those speak to me. I'm looking for something that shows activities. I don't feel like any of these work for me, so I'm going to not change it. I like what it has up there right now. Okay? Okay. That's it for this. There's not very much on this page. I highly suggest getting this published. Right? That would be my web address, okay? And click this share button and send it to me as soon as you finish this page. Remember, you're going to send it to my .org always, and I can't wait to see what you create. Please get on this right away. It's not something that you'll be able to knock out in one afternoon. At least I don't think you could. Maybe you can. And that's all I got. Good luck.